In this video, we will learn how to use push to talk on controller in Fortnite. In order to use push to talk with your controller in Fortnite, firstly you need to open up your game. After that, head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. From here, head to the settings menu. After that, you need to head to the communications tab. Under the communications tab in the voice chat section, you will find the voice chat method. Make sure to set it to push to talk. After setting it to push to talk, you need to head to the controller mapping section. From here, firstly you need to change the controller binding present to custom. Now under the general tab, scroll down until you find the push to talk button. Now you need to assign a button in here in order to use it as your push to talk button. So left click on it, then assign any button you want in here. After assigning, click apply, head back to the game. Now go into the game. Now when in the game, press the button that you have assigned. And you can chat with anybody in the lobby and your party. So this is how you can easily turn on push to talk with your controller in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.